Hey yo, good people, good traders, what to do, what to do. Welcome back to the Go FX channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are blessed. Um, Hope you guys are, thinking about the future, a prosperous future. Um, Wishing nothing but success in abundance to each and every single one of you who's watching this video. Let's continue to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share. um, let's get right into the video. um, as you guys can see on my chart, we can definitely see a head and shoulders type of pattern, an inverse head and shoulders uh, pattern, which is a reversal pattern, and if we can look closely, you know we can see another pattern right over here. Please bear with me as I'm showing you the type of pattern that I'm seeing. We have this pattern, that the market has broken out of. Um, I think it's called a pennant, descending pennant, if I'm not mistaken. But that's not, it's not important. What's important to me, it's looking at price action, the way that the market is moving. The market is moving in a series of higher highs and higher lows. You can see that there's a high, a correction, which is a low, and then another high, um, and another correction, which is a low, and then another high. You know what I mean? So the market is moving in that manner, Never mind the background noise, those are kids, but I'm trying to push for y'all. I'm trying to educate y'all on, how to tackle Bitcoin. On Bitcoin, we are bullish, we are bullish. Think about buying opportunities. Think about buying opportunities only, you know. Even on the current price action, what I'm waiting for is something like this. Let me show you a retest and a continuation going towards the upside. That's what I'm waiting for. It's what I'm waiting for. I'm looking for buying opportunities, and I'm looking for like proper entries, you know. And as I'm looking for proper entries, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a move back down to test the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder pattern. I need to see a retest of the neckline. We need to retest. The market doesn't always goes up in an inverse head and shoulder pattern. It doesn't go up, like all the way. It surely will come back to test the neckline, so that we can get um, proper buying opportunities, and with us looking for proper buying opportunities, um, for the moment and for time being, some other people might be looking for short selling opportunities towards the area that I've highlighted for you guys, at 113. You know what I mean? The current market price of Bitcoin right now Bitcoin is trading between 116, 115, 114, 113, and 110. Those are the price ranges that Bitcoin is trading at the moment as we are speaking. And right now Bitcoin is really bullish. People like your investors like Michael Saylor. Michael Saylor is buying Bitcoin like crazy. Just go to YouTube, and on the search box, just type in Michael Saylor. You're gonna see. He's the founder of Strategy, that's the company that he's a founder of. Go and make your research about that guy. The guy is buying Bitcoin like crazy. Michael Saylor is buying Bitcoin like crazy. You know what I mean? And with Michael Saylor buying Bitcoin like crazy, obviously, the market is going to um, at some point become bullish, because people like Michael Saylor, Larry Fink, they're buying Bitcoin like crazy. You know, you should also listen to um, other people like Tom Lee. He's one of the other analysts of the blockchain or the crypto space that you can like give a listen to, as you are on your journey of, trading cryptocurrency. Make your research about trading. Make your research. Take your time. It's not a race. It's not a competition. And when you are venturing into trading, just think of it as you investing in yourself. Nothing more but you investing into your future. And just take your time. You know what I mean? Don't rush things. Don't look at other traders P&Ls, profit and loss. Don't look at other people's, driving cars, showing you screenshots of 20,000 rands, $20,000, $10 to what challenge. Don't look at that. Just solely focus on yourself and try to find yourself in this trading industry. Try to find your edge. Is what I'm trying to say. By looking at other people's lives and comparing it to yours, you're gonna um mess with your psychology. You're gonna mess with your psychology. So Bitcoin for me is bullish. On the H4, as you can look, I'm like really waiting for like a proper retest, and then a continuation towards the upsides. I'm looking for buying opportunities right here. You see where I've put the rectangular box. I'm looking for buying opportunities there. Like, that's me. You can also do your own analysis, do your own research, trade your own plan, trade your own style, trade the way that you would want to like run a business, like planning a party, do it your own way. you know um yeah, this is Bitcoin, and I'm looking for buying opportunities as the market is screaming to me. I'm bullish. And September, I believe, is a very good month for Bitcoin. You know, I strongly believe that Bitcoin is going to go up. Probably this coming week we've got FOMC, and I believe that the Feds might cut the rates. And with the Fed cutting the rates, it means that we're gonna get a pump. Surely, everything is aligning that Bitcoin is getting ready to make a massive move. Don't be left behind. Jump on the train and start investing in yourself starting today. It's never too late. It's never too late. It's Q4. I know it's the end of the year, but it's never too late. You can start even this month. You can start with your trading journey, in investing in yourself. Just believe and trust the process. Trading is a journey. Is a journey that you're supposed to enjoy. It's like living your own life. You're supposed to enjoy your life. It's like trading. you know with all that being said, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can grow and reach other people out there, who might be interested in the type of content that I'm creating. As time goes on, surely the channel is going to grow eventually. I know that. I strongly believe that. and yeah, we're gonna make great things, with the cryptocurrency world. Educate yourselves on that. That's what I strongly encourage, and I highly recommend that you look into trading. With that being said, I know I yap a lot, but that's my thing. I'm a very talkative person. Adios, good people.